Accidentally deleted important files from your USB drive? Want to recover your deleted USB files quickly and safely? Introducing SysTools USB Recovery Tool. A powerful tool to restore data from corrupted or inaccessible USB devices with ease. Key features of the software. File system support. Retrieve data from FAT, exFAT, and NTFS formatted USB drives with ease. Flexible data saving. Allow to save selected files or entire data after USB data recovery. Partition recovery. Supports recovery from deleted or lost partitions on the USB device. Compatible with all USB devices. Works with pen drives, flash drives, memory cards, and external USB drives. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools USB Recovery. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Install the software, and launch it. Once launched, you'll see a clean interface with all the recovery options neatly organized. On the home screen, you'll see attached pen drive or memory cards. Select a device from the list and view the basic details into right panel of software. Software provides you two options to scan your drive. Scan and formatted scan. Scan option, use this to recover deleted files. Formatted scan, use this if your USB drive was formatted and you want to recover data from it. Click on any option. The software will begin scanning your selected drive. A progress bar will display the status of the scan. Once completed, the software will list all the recoverable files and folders on the left panel. Click any folder to view its contents in the right panel. The software will highlight the permanently deleted data by red color. To preview the file, select the checkbox and click on Preview. You can preview the file properties. Now preview the image by clicking on File tab. Also preview the hex value by clicking on Hex tab. Filter option is available to help you quickly locate specific files based on criteria like file type, date, or name. In Search option, you can search for specific files from the recovered data by its name or file extension. You can also search by date range. This option allows you to filter and locate files based on their created date, modified date, or last access date. Simply choose the desired date range and the type of date filter you want to apply. The software will save only those files which lies between the provided date range. To save selected files or folder, select that checkboxes you want to recover, and click on Save Selected Data. To save all recovered data, click on Save All Data. A window will prompt you to choose the destination location where the recovered data should be saved. Browse and select your desired destination folder. Then click OK. At last, click on Save button. The tool will now export all data to your chosen location. Once the export is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click OK, and access your recovered files successfully. And that's it. That's how easy it is to recover deleted or lost files from a USB drive. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.